Deep breath in, breath out. Nice. There we go. Woo. Nice. Tell the people that are scared to get adjusted.
It helps out a lot. I had a lot of lower back pain. I couldn't really walk, and yeah, it helped a lot. I mean, I would definitely recommend it. Whatever you can do to, relieve your pain and get you back to normal again.
Yeah. In your case, normal is kind of a relative.
Yeah.